If you want to open a SIM card slot on the Motorola Edge 70, what you need to do is you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find this SIM tray over here. We have the SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. In order to open the SIM tray, we need to use an Eject tool that you can find inside the box, and we need to simply put the tool into this SIM tray hole. So let's quickly do this. There we go. And once we are in, we need to use a little bit of force in order to push it down so that the SIM tray slightly pops out. And once it pops out, we want to use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go, just like that. All right. So over here we can see that we have SIM card slot, and it seems that it has just one SIM available. So now let's insert our SIM card. So let's put it in. Of course, we need to match the shape of the SIM card slot, but it should go in pretty easily. And once it is in, make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. We can just put it back into the phone. We can just slide it in just like that. Make sure that it is fully in and that it doesn't stick out at all. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.